In this lecture, I will give brief introduction about instructions in C. What are instructions? Instructions are a set of statements used to instruct C to perform specific tasks. There are different types of instructions in C. Type declaration instructions used for declaring variable data type. Arithmetic instructions used to instruct C to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Control instructions used to change logical flow of program execution. Type declaration instruction is used to declare the type of variables used in C. As we already know, a variable needs to be declared before using it in a C program. This is done by using type declaration instruction. Here are few examples. Arithmetic instructions in C are used to perform arithmetic operations on variables and constants. These variables and constants on which arithmetic operation is done are called operands. For example, a equals to b plus 4. Here, a, b and 4 are called operands, equal to and plus sign are called operators. Control instructions are used to alter or change logical flow of program execution. As we all know, C program executes sequentially. Using control instruction, I can tell C to skip or repeat specific lines of code. I will talk more about it in another lecture dedicated specially for control instructions. Let's summarize what you have learned in this lecture. Type declaration instruction is used to declare the type of variables. Arithmetic instructions in C are used to perform arithmetic operations on variables and constants. Control instructions are used to alter logical flow of program execution.